All right, folks, let's check an air filter on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is a 2015 with a V6 in it. All right, it's right here in this corner. It's pretty simple. Jeep is pretty tall. I'm gonna go on my little step stool here. There are two clips, 1, 2, and then there's a little rubber hose that I recommend that you remove. What's up? What's up, Eric? All right. Said hello to my postman. All right, like I said, 2 clips. One over here. Dun, dun, dun. See it? Right there. 1, 2. Like I said, I recommend taking this hose off. Because anything plastic nowadays can break. And this is just going to lift up and just come out of there's 2 little slots there. This cover is going to come up a little bit and just slide out. It's going to hit this power steering reservoir. Okay, see, I hit that in the corner. So just wiggle that up out of the way for yourself. There you go. And the thing will come up. And there is the filter. So I'm going to take a little peek. I use this hand. We'll come up with it. It looks kind of dirty there. And yeah, it could definitely use a filter. I'll tell the customer, I'll see what they want to say and do. All right, that's it. And to put it back, same thing. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm not gonna put it back because I'm gonna sell them I'm gonna tell them they need a filter. But anyway, to put it back, just slide it in. There's 2 little slots there. Okay, once you slide it in, then the rest of it is snap, snap. See, snap 1, snap 2, so we can get to it. Dun, dun, dun. I usually do it with the right hand. Snap 2 with the right hand. Put your hose back. There you go. What do you think? All good? That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a filter. Let's take a ride over to AutoZone. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Ciao. Thanks for watching. Air filter out. Grand Cherokee. Bye. All right, here's the filter I'm using. AutoZone. STP SA10957. This is the bad boy going back in. All right. Thanks for watching.